guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jeffree Star. I had to try it just because I got Jeffree's mirror. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. It is smokedalive, and today we're going to be doing a anti-Valentine's Day tutorial. I went all in this look. Glitter, 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 rhinestones, and some more glitter. So I wanted to challenge myself like I talked about in my last tutorial and do something different. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and just keep watching. We're going to be using the Morphe 35B palette today, and we're going to start with this nice pink transition shade. So I'm just taking the G13 Morphe brush and buffing this all over the crease and going out. So key is that we're going to be pulling this out because we want this to be really, really dramatic. And then we're also going to be pulling this in right here, which we normally wouldn't be putting color right here. We're going to go straight into this really nice hot pink shade. Using the Wet n Wild blending brush, we're just going to start putting this a little bit lower. With that lighter pink shade that we did with the same brush, we're just going to kind of buff all this out to make sure we still have a nice transition going on. Okay, so we want a pink shade a little bit darker than what is in the Morphe palette, and this is the ColourPop shade in Sandbar. Okay, so going in with this Wet n Wild, I don't know, it's like a little crease brush, we're just going to bring this a little bit lower, if you can see right there. We're just going a little bit lower than we were with the other pink shade. We're just going to start packing that in the lower part of the crease and on the lid. Going back in with that Morphe pink shade and the Wet n Wild blender brush, we're just going to go ahead and buff this out because it has a lot more of like a neon effect to it. So we're just going to buff and wing all of this out like we have been. And can we talk about this Jeffree Star mirror with my background? It's so cute! Alright, look at this. This is the first time that I've used that ColourPop shade, and it is not staying on my lid. So we're going to go in with that Morphe one and see if my lid's just being weird. So far that Morphe one is working better actually, so we're just going to stick with that, but I do think we need some dimension in this look. Sorry, I'm setting my mirror down. So we're going to go in with this shade right here, this little purple one. And if you guys are wondering why I'm kind of all over the place, it's because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm literally creating this as I go. So we're doing like a kind of get ready with me creative time with Caprice. So this could be a total disaster. Okay, so going in with the Morphe M412 brush, which has this really sharp tip, we're going to take that pink shade from the Morphe palette and we're literally going to go straight up. Although I have no foundation on, and I'm going to put foundation on, and that's just going to get covered up. So, ignore that. I am all over the place, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is apply this eye candy glitter. It is like the most vibrant pink glitter with purple reflex, which is exactly what we're going for because we're trying to incorporate some purple in this look. So, I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue and start packing that on the lid. I'm using the Black Heart Unicorn brush. I'm gonna use my finger actually. I keep having to pause my video to watch this blood sugar reveal. Who's purchasing it? I need it all. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I cannot envision like my look fully unless I finish my face first. Like I never can finish the lower lash line and finish off the eye look without doing my face. So we're gonna go ahead and do the face now, and we're just gonna bronze up the skin with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and the e.l.f. powder brush. Now we're gonna go in with the Kat Von D Truth blush with the little unicorn blush brush from Black Heart. I'm just gonna pack this on. I love this blush brush actually. I was not expecting to like these brushes, but I do. Okay, since the eyes are so intense, we want to bring in some of that intensity onto the face, which Normally girls do the exact opposite, but I mean, we are going for a really fun, creative look today. So we're going to go in with this little Cookie Savannah brush from Thailand. You can get them online. We're just going to place that right over the top. It brings this beautiful pink sheen all over the cheeks. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the highlighter shade Nefri by Jeffree Star, because we want to bring in those purple tones, and this has a very pink and purple tone to it, but it's very icy at the same time. If you thought the highlighter was enough, it ain't. We're going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Lilac to Reality. This highlighter is intense, and we are just going to place this right here at the front. See that? Yes. And now it is time for a third highlighter. We're going to go in with the shade The Sweetest Bling by Wet n Wild. And we're going to place this one further back, so we're not really going to hinder this icy purple shade. We're just going to kind of transition it into this really pretty pink highlighter towards the back. Okay, so now it is time to put the color in the brows. So you want to start off right here in the front of the brow, so you make sure you get all the excess powder there, and then go up, so it gives a really nice shade, so all of a sudden you don't have this stark like block up there that you don't know what to do with. Okay, so now that we've got that, we're just going to take that hot pink shade from the Morphe palette and literally bring this all over the lower lash line. We want this really smoky and really big. I'm thinking I always do black, so maybe I think I'm gonna go in with this berry, and we'll make it like really nice and dark right there. So this is the OCC Tarte Cosmetics in Hoochie. That looked so much darker than it turned out, but I don't hate it, so we're gonna leave it for now and kind of see what I can come up with. Taking this little Morphe brush, this is the M507. We're going to take this purple shade and also this deeper maroon shade and buff out the lower lash line. Okay, so we're going to take this small blending brush that we've been using with that darker maroon shade and kind of fill in this outer corner and the wing with that. Okay, so my husband just brought these acrylic little gems home, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, but opening it. Are you seriously taped this? Okay, I'm gonna try to place this little guy right here. We did it. I was trying to do like 3 up, but I think since I don't have like smaller ones than this, I think just 1's gonna be the way to go. I kind of hate it. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna take a bit of a bigger one and we're just gonna place this right there like all the cool YouTubers do. I'm gonna go in with the NYX. This is actually a mascara and it's pink. And I'm just gonna run my brows through this. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. So one thing that I do know that I'm gonna do is my lips. So let's move on to the lips for a little bit. Real quick, we are actually gonna run some purple through these two. Lips. Where are you? We're gonna go ahead and line my lips with the OCC Tarte liner. We're gonna go in with the Lime Crime Velveteen Liquid Lipstick in Black Velvet, I think is what it's called. Yes, look at me. So we're gonna go in with the Lime Crime Diamond Crusher in the shade Strip. It is this really cool hot pink shade, and I thought it would look dope over top of this black lipstick. So I'm not just gonna run it because I've noticed that sometimes the color can transfer on the wand. So I'm just gonna tap it. How freaking cool is this lip? Yes! Do not judge my eyelashes because my eyes are watering so bad for some reason and they are not staying on. Okay, since we've already gone there, we're gonna apply the Lime Creme Diamond Crusher in Choke. And we're actually gonna apply this on the cheeks. So we're just gonna tap that right there and then press it in. Okay, and then just to tie in some of this purple, we're just gonna apply this purple right in the center of this lip. It's time to set the face with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Almost forgot, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, share it on Facebook, go follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and you can add me on Facebook if you want to.